Be very careful. Come back as soon as you have the keys.
When I return, I want everything prepared and ready to begin. Do you understand?
열쇠가 어디
Yes, Lord
있을까?
Nicholas. All right, you heard him.
Everything will be ready. The alchemist will talk. I'm going to enjoy.
Just do your job. The captain of the guard doesn't appreciate improvisation, and neither do I.
Yes, of course.
Let me know when you're ready.
I have to make them leave.
Right. This might get me a promotion. Authority, results. The torture has to be efficient.
Not to ruin one of
내보내야 된다 그랬는데.
so soft. Knife is sharpened. Hammer, fire, weapons, everything is ready. How about the me?
이러면 안 와? 아까는 막 뛰어다니니까 막 하더니 그런가? 뛰어다녀도 이제 안 나와 보네. 저기 열쇠 있네. 뭘 어떻게 해야 되는 거야?
If only Missy was here. No, I don't need her.
쥐가 어딨어?
Oh, that's for the cages.
이거?
Come on. Quick.
Chief, we need to go!
Well done. Go away. Quickly now. The key. I've got to go back. I have to move the rats. Lanterns. They don't like lanterns.
이렇게 하는 거구나.
Oh, it works. Shoo. Don't look. Don't look. Yes. You see, Amicia? I'm just going to...
깜짝이야.
My head. Stop shouting.
일로 가야 되는데 이제. 잠깐만.
They can still get by. I have to get them
저걸
out
돌리고
first.
와야겠네.
Maybe with the other lantern.
이런.
I did it. All by myself.
됐다. 됐다.
It's all right.
No one will hurt you now.
My hero. How do you feel? Your head.
It talks to me. All the time now.
And what does it say?
It says it wants me to join it.
The first threshold.
Mommy, I'm scared.
We'll never get out of here. We don't have a choice. If I am with you, the voice, are you ready to reply?
뭔데?
Hugo, can you hear them?
Yes. They all have the same voice. The one that makes my head hurt.
Don't try to ignore it. Embrace it completely. Don't be afraid.
Yes.
와, 조종할 수 있어? 와. 뭐 어떻게 하라고.
Everything is all right. Now, you're going to tell them to move so we can get out. Go on. Well done. You see?
아이,
My headache's gone.
It was the macula, but you answered it. Let's get going.
Screams.
뭐 어떻게 해야 되는 거야?
Rats loose on the prisoners again. Come on. Find this document and get out of here.
We'll make him leave. Use the rats.
Will they eat him?
어떻게 해야 돼?
There aren't enough of them. Come on.
Rats!
Run, you big coward. You're scared, aren't you?
Hugo, this is not okay. This man
저기 못
is
가네.
dangerous. You have to control yourself.
Yes, Mom. So, that's my disease.
You're not sick, Hugo. It's a gift. I'll explain later.
A gift.
You found her.
내가 미쳐가는 건가?
Crazy. What the hell are the rats doing here? What the hell happened?
I'll push them back.
Only until we can get through. Don't overdo it.
I'll try.
능력은 능력일 뿐이고.
These roads are in a terrible state. How are we going to deliver this? All we need now is to lose one of these
어떡하지?
cages.
Be careful.
Rats! Rat! Black rat! Fuck! Help!
Well done. These rats.
어떻게?
The hell did they do to them?
They make them eat people's blood.
Really?
Yes, it's strange. I can feel the black rats, but not these ones.
I see. We need to find a way to get out of here. Is she still alright, Hugo?
It feels a bit funny.
공격은 하는구나.
That's normal. Tell me if you feel poorly.
Yes.
절로 가야 되는데.
Mummy, why do I know how to do this?
It's the blood that decides. It's complicated to explain.
피로
Missy doesn't
정해진다고?
know.
No. I'll explain later.
We had an argument, Mummy.
It's all right, my darling. Let's get out of here, huh?
뭐야? 딱 걸렸어?
So, Beatrice, you are reunited with your son at last.
I know what you have done to him. You have taken what you wanted, now let him go.
Oh, you insult me, Madame de Rune. Your son is the natural carrier of the macula, and it has not yet finished with him, which means neither have I. But this you know.
Vitalis, let us finish this.
Nicholas, you cannot understand. You feel it as I do. Do you not, boy? We are bound by blood now. What do you think, Hugo? Your family grows larger, huh?
I beg of you. I promise to help you, but allow my son to leave.
His destiny is not to be a de Rune. His destiny is to be here.
장난
At
똥 때려?
my side.
You are a monster.
A monster? Madame, you have yet to see
홍상 캔디 3주 압수. 와, 장난해?
Kill her!
Hugo, the rat! It's the only way.
boy!
Don't hurt her! Oh no! Did I kill him? I'm sorry, Hugo.
Attack! Kill her!
Hey, what do I do?
I have the honor
of killing the
carrier's mother.
Just a child.
Mine. You don't have a home anymore. You're ours. God, you are the beginning of the conjuration. The future depends on you.
Hugo, listen to my voice. You have to hold on. I'm here.
Useless idiot.
I don't feel...
There's a reward for he who kills her.
Be strong.
The prima macula. It's reacting. Continue.
Stop torturing him. I'll tell you everything you want to know.
It's too late. Come on. The child is weakening.
아,
The threshold awaits you. Pass to the other side.
No, Hugo, don't listen to him.
Come to me. I'm
My son, don't forget who you are.
뭐야? 어어. 엄마를 쏴 죽이는구나. 이거 넘기자. 어떻게 넘겨?
Hugo, the rat. It's the only way.
boy.
Don't hurt
I'm sorry, Hugo.
Attack! Kill her!
What do I do? Vitalis, stop it! It's just a child!
있죠?
You don't have a home.
그 다음에 이쪽인가?
Ours! God! You are the beginning of the conjuration! The future depends on you!
Hugo, listen to my voice!
Useless idiot! There's a reward for he who kills her!
Be strong!
아, 얘한테 뭐 하는 짓인지.
Stop torturing him! I'll tell you everything you want to know!
It's too late. Come on! The child is weakening!
The threshold awaits you. Fast to the other side.
여기가 먼저였구나, 계단이. 엄마 죽을 뻔.
That's enough.
Hugo, say something. Hugo, can you hear me? Oh no.
He's powerful, but he has not reached the threshold as we'd hoped.
Do you know why?
Amicia. It's Amicia.
How tiresome. But he's close now, and we have other pawns we can play.
Take her away.
장난감이라니.
Leave him alone! What else do you want?
A lot more. So much more. And you will stay here with me to make sure we get it. Do not worry, Hugo. I have complete faith in you. We
아,
shall
짜증나.
succeed.
추모. 아, 못된 녀석들. 이거 왜 다음으로 안 넘어가니? 아, 하기 싫은 게 아니고
Amicia,
She's awake!
이제 깨어난 거야?
stay calm, Amicia.
애한테 너무한다고 생각해서.
You disappeared for 3 days, Amicia. You almost died. We were so worried.
Hugo,
3일 동안 행방불명이었던
be
거야?
alone.
일 1개월 후. 와, 그 후로 1개월이나 지났어?
Come on, stop dreaming. The others must be up. The rats will be coming. We need to light the fires.
I want it. Come on! Please open, will you?
I think Roderick is working in the yard.
그러면 그 한 달 동안 동생은 거기서 무슨 일을
If we look
겪는
still
거야?
frozen.
Yes. It's a tough winter this year. Anyway, how was your nap? Feeling better?
A little.
와,
Dream of him again.
Yes.
I'm going to prepare a special brew of St. John's wort for you.
That's all right, Lucas. I don't need it. I miss him, that's all. I have to accept that he won't be coming back.
Amicia, you're going to be alright?
I'm going to go see the others.
Oh, can you tell Melly about...
The chest, of course.
Melly's going to say something like, you should just piss on it. Way too cold for that.
You'll only 2, aren't you? Come on, cheer up.
하루만 더
One more
힘내.
day.
컨테이너. 파우치.
Not bad.
이거는
Not bad at all.
이게 모자라는구나.
These things. I remember each
아까 못
place,
먹었던 거 먹고 와야지.
each moment.
아이도 저러고 있어? 이쪽이 아니네.
We've never had so many apples. Hugo would have made himself sick with them.
여기 이제 무너졌구나.
Roderick still hasn't been able to work because of the snow.
And I want to stay here.
Oh, really? And what if...
What if you stopped living like an animal?
Oh, hello, Amicia.
Hey.
싸우고
Sorry,
있었어.
am I interrupting?
No. Arthur was just saying he wants to leave. Again.
Come on! I want us to stay alive, that's all. Like we've always done.
Listen, it'll be dark soon and we have to light the fires. Can you help me, Arthur?
Go on. Try not to annoy the hell out of her.
Why would I do that?
Because you're a pain in the ass, that's why.
Oh, Lucas needs help with his chest.
Yeah, right. He just wants to see me, that's all.
Oh. All right. Ready when you are, Amicia.
불부터 붙여야겠다. 현실 남매?
Come on, let's get the braziers in place. Starting with...
That one. Yes.
어디로 내려가는 거야?
We've been doing the same routine for weeks, Amicia.
I'm sorry, it just helps me sleep better knowing the pit is secure at night.
이리로 가는 거 아니야? 저 왜 저렇게 화를 내고 있어?
So, what's up?
I feel old.
You look pretty good for an old person.
Thank you.
Listen, I don't know your brother that well, but...
He would like you.
Really?
You saved us. You were captured, you managed to escape. You're like a hero from a book or something.
A hero?
But he would have been sad to see you leave.
Ah.
There you go.
이거 먹고 내려가.
All right, that's it.
Is everything alright, Roderick?
Everything's fine. This damn thing is going to work.
Hey, calm down. If you
왜
break
저런이라는 사람들이 꼭 저렇게 화를 내는 건가?
And there you go. Now the braziers will stay put.
The Roderick method. Random, but effective.
Haha. Try it.
I intend to.
이거 담벼락이 다 허물어졌는데?
Amicia, we have to finish the braziers.
Yes, yes, I haven't forgotten.
저거 땡겨놔야 될 것 같은데? 뭐 절로 가야 돼. 어? 못 올라가게 돼 있네? 왜 못 올라가지?
Right. You take that one?
Hey,
I'll look
are you
after
alright?
the other brazier.
Yes.
Whenever you're
Why?
ready.
That was pretty intense.
Oh, the kicking, you mean? My father was like that. I'm just carrying on the tradition now. He's, Anyway, how about you?
Oh, I'm alright.
I miss the kid too. Hey, you know what? We could always extend the search area.
Roderick, there's no point. It's been a month already. Let's just get the pit ready for the night.
All right. Arthur wants you all to himself, is that it?
Just shut it, will you?
Dearest Amicia, allow this forlorn brigand to steal thy heart.
Go take a bath. You stink.
How sweet a minstrel thou makest!
동생을 못 찾아서 못 붙인 데가 있어?
Amicia, we have to finish the braziers.
Yes, yes, I haven't forgotten.
안 붙인 화로가 있다고? 아니 저건 사다리가 끊어져서 저 갈 수가 없는데? 뭐야? 올라갈 수가 없어요. 이것도 안 올라가지거든요? 이건 아예 하나가 빠져버렸고. 이건 되네? 이거 되돌려놔야 되나? 아닌데? 위를 보고? 왜 더 이상 못 가? 아니, 위를 보고 가는 게 아니고 이것도 이렇게 그냥 뜨잖아요. 위를 안 봐도. 근데 저거는 아예 안 떠요. 뭐 이렇게 깊어? 뭐 어떻게 하라는 거야? 안 뜬다. 뭐 어떡하라는 거지? 이거밖에 안 돼요, 올라가는 건. 미치겠네? 안 붙인 게 없다고. 그냥 말을 걸면 되나? 아닌데? 이것도 안 뜨고. 아, 불을 다 붙였거든요.
Let's go.
아, 이거만
Make sure
되네?
the brazier is
아,
right up
이거
to the
참.
edge.
No rat is going to be able to climb out of that pit.
The system is here for a reason.
The system won't stop trained soldiers.
Arthur, Melly is tired of running.
Melly and I are not people like you.
But perhaps Melly isn't like you either.
All right, I get it.
된 거야? 예전에는 자동으로 왔는데
You handle the brazier on the ramparts. I'll handle these ones.
성벽에 있는 화로는 내가 보라고? 이거는 다 사다리 쪽이니까 이대로 둬도 되는 거 아니야? 사다리 쪽으로 갖다 놓기만 하면 되는 거 아닌가? 근데 이거 여전히 못 올라가.
I'm telling you, I pushed it all by myself. A cart the size of a cow. Stop laughing. It's not funny. I'm just imagining you pushing a cow. Honest, it was epic. The rats were everywhere. Just ask Amicia.
You see? Tell yourself that we have something here, and we need people like you to keep it safe.
Let me think about it.
이거 다음에 저쪽인가? 이거 순번이 있는 거야? 아닌데. 이쪽으로 올라가서 절로 가야 되나? 근데 저쪽으로 넘어갈 수가 없잖아, 저거. 뭐야? 왜 멈춰? 더 이상 못 가? 이쪽으로 아예 못 가게 해놨네? 됐어. 이건가 보다. 뜨는 거 보니까.
Right, I finished.
끝났다고? 아, 이거 하나 때문에 그렇게
Something
헤맨 거야? 뭐야? 와, 불 다 끄고 다녀.
There are way too many.
After! Amicia!
Run! Get inside! How can the pit have overflowed? That's never happened before.
Shit! Shit, I've never seen so many!
The ladder in the red area. If we can reach it, we'll be able to get to the tower.
Use your brazier. I'll open a way for you on my side.
아,
The brazier's in place. Get over here. What are they doing?
They're regrouping. They're going to put the fires out.
Shit! Amicia, I don't have any Ignifer left.
아,
There's nothing I can do.
I'll manage. I've done it before.
이쪽으로 다시 끌어가야 돼.
No, quick! It demolished the ladder! I have to get to the one on the rampart!
Holy shit! I thought you said this place was secure.
It used to be! Not good. This is not good. I have to get to the ladder in the red area, or I'll die here.
Amicia, I'll get a brazier your way. Try to reach it.
All right, I'm counting on you.
More of them. There's a lit brazier here. Take cover. Amicia, go to the lit brazier. Here we go. I'll get you to the ladder.
Come on, we've faced worse before.
Hang in there. I'll move the other one to you.
Please hurry.
Amicia, more swarms of rats. Don't worry, I'll get you out of there. Come on!
어디로 오라고? 아, 이거.
One by one.
Yes, you're there.
At last. Good Lord, I thought we'd never make it.
Are you all right?
Yes, thanks. It's up to you now.
The brazier on your side.
I'll get you there.
이거를 저쪽으로 당겨줘야 되잖아.
How are you doing?
All right. I prefer being here than down there.
What the hell is going on, Amicia? They've tried to get in before, but never like that. How come?
How do I know? But it was almost like they were attacking.
Oh, come on. They're rats, not the English army.
But they
Shit!
know
I knew we should
what
have got
they're
out of
doing.
here.
I've only seen this once before.
Alicia, I
At
think I
home.
need your help.
Leave it to me.
I'm a bit worried about this.
I can't go any faster.
아,
More of them. They really want a piece of me.
I don't believe it. What's happening? Why now?
가.
I'm here. We're nearly there. Come on.
Thanks. You deserve a medal.
혼자.
Come on. Let's go join the others inside. I hope they're all right. If the rats have got in,
Amicia, they're not kids anymore. They're used to it.
I don't want to take any more risks. I'm not going to lose anyone else. What I'd really like is to be as far away from here as possible.
Well, I'm not a magician, huh?
와,
Are you all right? No. What the hell is going on? Arthur, did you get bitten?
No. We have to get out of here.
The castle was made to resist. Lucas, there were never so many before. This is not a simple infestation.
What the hell is it then?
아,
quickly.
얘는 어떻게 지랑 같이 움직일 수 있는 거야? 설마 얘 몸에도 헐.
Go and do what has to be done.
Hugo.
Come on.
아,